Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today I'll show how you can hard reset this BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro device through the recovery mode, hence removing the screen lock, erasing all files and data, and so on. So to begin, you will need to completely switch your tablet off by holding the side power button for about a second. Here tap at the power off option and wait until your tablet will shut itself down completely. Once it is powered off, follow my hands. You gotta simultaneously press and hold volume up, down, and power keys. So 3 buttons in total. And once you will see the BLACKVIEW logo, let off the power button. Let your finger off the power button, but still keep holding the both volume up and volume down keys. So let me demonstrate it to you. So how should I? This way I think it will be the best. So now all 3 buttons are pressed. Once the BLACKVIEW logo appears, I have released the power button, but I'm still holding the volume keys. And here is the Android recovery mode. Here use the, now from here it just goes as usual. Use the volume rocker to navigate and power key to select, to confirm. So here the thing that we're interested in is obviously the factory reset or wipe data / factory reset. So select this option, then tap at the power button, then confirm your choice by selecting the factory data reset once again and confirm it once again. And then within a few seconds, all the data should be wiped, all the settings reset. And now all that is left to do for you is to just reboot your system back to its normal state, and you will see the initial system setup interface. So let's wait for it, and then I'll finish this video. So as you can see, that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.